forward to this for quite some time. Bought myself a little late birthday gift, and I will be shooting an unboxing video. Bought myself the Pumpkinhead resin bust, life size, from the very talented Sarloza Studios. Came pretty quick, and I admire their communications with me throughout the process and updating tracking and providing me updates. So, been wanting one of these for a while. As soon as I saw the first sculpture of it, I knew I had to get it. It would make a great piece in addition to the collection. Right off the bat, really happy with the way they packaged this. They took extreme care in making sure that the product was safe and secure during shipping. This is a very big box. So I'm trying getting the best angle. Hopefully you guys like it. And it is a very big piece. It's intended to be mounted on the wall, but I have other plans for it. I'm going to be making a display for this piece to make it look like he's halfway buried in the well that we see him first introduced in the film during the Pumpkinhead franchise. As you all know, this piece was originally created by the very talented and very well-known Stan Winston Studios. I believe this is the piece here. Wrapped very securely in bubble wrap. Quality pop. I do plan on making better videos once I get the camera in, so please bear with me for that. But now the teeth were cast separately. Want to make sure that they may be in a bag. Just want to make sure they're not wrapped up in any of these parts. Okay. Go ahead, switch to the floor so you get a better view. This thing's heavy. closest scissors I had in my shop. It's not the size of your scissors, it's what you do with it. Oddly enough, it's probably one of those trusted and reliable scissors I have. So this version I got the blade because I figured it'd be a lot of fun to do a time-lapse video of me painting this guy. Pictures don't do this thing justice. It's huge. Wow. I really like the way they ship this. And nowadays you hear a lot of horror stories about Postal Service is not really treating packages the way they should be. So it really puts a buyer's mind at ease whenever you see packages shipped like this. Okay. I like being able to just we're gonna get a close-up of this guy. Wow. It's gonna be a lot of fun paint.